Manual breast pumps offer several benefits, especially for mothers who pump occasionally. They are lightweight, compact, and easy to carry in a bag. This makes them ideal for travel or situations where electricity is not available. One major advantage of a manual pump is control. You control the speed and pressure by squeezing the handle. This allows you to adjust suction according to your comfort level. Many mothers feel this provides a more natural rhythm. Manual pumps are also very quiet, making them discreet in public settings. They are usually more affordable than electric pumps, which makes them accessible to many families. Although manual pumps may require more hand effort, they are very effective when used correctly. They are especially helpful for relieving engorgement or expressing milk occasionally. For mothers looking for a simple and portable option, manual breast pumps can be a reliable and practical choice.